well, I'm kind of strapped to the front of car. It's my new car, and today we're gonna be going over a ramp. So I'm a little scared, but I'm ready to do this. Gonna go over this ramp here, and here we go. Oh. Okay, let's do it again. All right, we're gonna do that again. So yeah, do it again. Oh my God. Oh wow. Okay. Well. Wow. Alright, well, we're gonna move the ramp and then we're just gonna go around and around. Alright, so this time we're just gonna go around and around. Okay. Oh God. Oh no. Okay. This is really fast. Okay. Oh my. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, that was kind of scary. Maybe we should do it again. Okay. I was kind of kidding. Oh, ow. Oh no. That's it for this episode, guys. So, I'll see you later.